guys, RavenMadCreations here, and I am back with another video for you guys, and this is going to be a Christmas haul. I want to say in advance that I am sorry for the lighting in here, and I'm also sorry for the quality. I'm actually recording this on my MacBook because I can't find my batteries to my camera. So once I find that, my videos will start to be filmed on my camera instead of on my MacBook, which the videos I do believe before this are also on my MacBook, so sorry about that in advance. I'm also sorry for the fact that I look like crap right now. I've got a cold and I'm trying to get over it, but I wanted to haul my Christmas stuff today on Christmas because I want to open it and play with it, and I wanted to show you guys it before I did so. It's so long since I've been in front of a camera, I'm doing weird things. So, it's been a while since I've hauled anything or done any videos because of school and stuff, but that's another video, an update video, and we are going to get into this video. So, I hope you guys enjoy it. I also want to state that I am in no way bragging. This is just stuff for Christmas. If you guys have got something for Christmas, then put down below what you got. And if you have a video, I would definitely like to watch it. So do tell me if you have a video, and I will check it out. So, back to the video. Let's go. The first thing I want to haul is a gift from my mom and my mom's husband. And it is a Lorac Pro Contour Palette and Pro Contour Brush. I'm so excited for this. I have never had any Lorac things, and so I am excited for this. And it's actually got a brush in here. This is the brush. This is the brush that is for that. It actually looks very nice, and it feels soft. This is a powder, not a... It's got a little booklet in here that shows how to highlight and contour. Actual palette. Oh. So, inside here, we're going to cover that mirror, is the palette itself. Oh, it bends backwards. We ain't even got to do all that extra. So, this is what it looks like. I can't wait to use it. If you guys want to see me swatch it or anything, do tell me. The colors are a little bit light, but I definitely can play with it. So the next thing is actually a sticker book for my planner. I have been planning my life away, guys. I love planning and scheduling everything that I'm doing, so I decided to go get me a happy planner, and I've been happy since getting it. So this is a sticker book. I have many of these, and I will do a video on my planning and my sticker stuff, so which I plan on doing soon. One that I bought myself, and yeah, it just has a whole bunch of stickers in it, which it's still kind of taped, so I don't know why it's still kind of taped. But yeah, so it's just got a whole bunch of stickers in here that I can definitely use for multiple things. It's got like laundry and stuff, and I love sticker planning, so this is a great gift to me because it's something that I enjoy doing. Next thing, I love to write, so I have actually 2 journals that I bought myself because I'm always writing, and I haven't been writing lately because of school and everything, which I'm not going to give you guys an update right now. So I got 2 different planners. This one right here is just a basic one from Michael's that I picked up. It just says True Story, and inside it looks like, oh, it looks like it's stuck closed by tape. Inside, it just looks like a regular schmegular notebook that I can write on, which is exciting because I love little notebooks I can put in my purse and take with me. The next one looks like this. It's from Target. It's from their little $3 bin area, and it just looks like this. It's actually pretty blank, so I can draw in it, I can write in it, I can take notes, which is good because I'm always writing lately, especially with school. Next thing is another Lorac, however you want to say it, and this is their Pro 4 palette. My mom bought me this. I'm so excited because I asked her for this, and it was actually on my list of things that I wanted, and I've never had a Lorac palette. Oh, guys, look at the inside of this. It's pink. I am not a pink fan, but this is, if any pink is my favorite, this is the pink for me. So this is what the palette looks like. Oh my god, guys, I'm so excited. I am probably going to do a video on this. Let me get rid of the mirror. The mirror is huge. The next thing is, oh, look at this, guys. It's got so many colors. I can't wait to work for them. Spice and mahogany and blackberry are like my favorite colors out of this palette. I'm so excited for custom. The next thing is some washi tape for my planner books. I love washi tape. I have so much washi tape, guys. Like I said, when I do my planner video, I am going to tell you guys about it, but there is so much washi. Is this upside down? It's upside down. There's so much washi tape in here, and it's got like elephants and stuff, and I really love me some washi tape. Washi tape is the best. Who wouldn't want this? It's actually the one that I wanted, and it's super awesome and super cool for me, and it's just a basic, you know, little shower set. I've always wanted this razor, and so I got the set. It was $9, so $9 for all of this, and I really wanted this, and this itself was like $8, $9 including tax. So next thing is going to be going through the bags. There is a couple bags here from Christmas, most of them to myself. There's one from my brother, and then there is some stuff from my mom from my stocking in there. So I wanted to go over that with you guys. It is actually a Victoria's Secret Pure Seduction Unwrapped Fragrance Mist. I was super excited about this. The smell is actually pretty. After that, in this bag is a lotion. I used to buy the purple one, but I wanted to try the blue one because it's amazing. It is a part of the pink collection. They were having a $7 on each, and this is normally retailed to $18. And I think this is as well, but it doesn't have the retailing price on it. So the next thing, oh, by the way, this is the bag. Isn't it adorable? The next thing in here is a pair of socks. I love socks, so I bought socks, and they look like this. They've got a moon and a star. These are high knee socks. I don't ever pull them up all the way because, or not even high knee. They're like past the ankle. But this is my favorite color. You can't even see the exact color. Oh, you kind of can. And I love this color. It kind of matches that back there. So I definitely wanted that. And then these are a black pair with a whole bunch of like little symbols on them, or a star. Yeah, I think those are the star thing. Is this perfume. It's from Bath and Body Works, and it smells amazing. There are two in my hand because I bought two from them. And yeah, these are my Christmas presents to myself. It smells, it just smells so good, and it's mint drop. Coconut mint drop, and then fresh sparkling snow, which is their holiday collection. I think this one is a holiday collection too. I do not know for sure. I really like the bottles because they're so cute. And then I also got the lotion for, oh no, it was opened. Who opened that? I hope it didn't spill. There's also the lotion for the mint one. They were having a buy 2 get 1 free, or a buy 3 get 3 free, which I honestly should have went with the buy 3 get 3 free, but they didn't have any other scents, and I didn't want to repeat scent. The next thing is a frozen bath bomb. It looks like this. I love bath bombs. I do. So I wanted to get this one, and it's sparkly and it's blue. Hopefully my body doesn't turn blue, but if it did, I'm calling myself a Smurf. That's just how it works. The next thing is a new Real Techniques finishing brush, and it was actually on sale where I got it from, but it's super adorable. I can't wait to use it. Guys, I'm telling you, the amount of videos I'm about to make is going to be amazing. Next, there's actually washi tape missing from this. I think it's somewhere in probably my bag. So this is a thing of washi tape, and it's got little swans and words, and it's very summery, which is going to be amazing for summer. I can't wait to get my January planner out. This bag is also one of the bags that I bought. By the way, guys, all that stuff was from me to me. So in my stocking, I had some paint, which, if you guys didn't know, I am a painter. I love to paint. Art is kind of my thing, so I got me some paint in my stocking. And then I also got washi tape. This is all of my single Scotch washi tape. And I'm so obsessed. So I bought this one, which, you guys, it's got little dots on it that are foiled. And then this one is from my mom. This one is from me. This one is from my mom. This one, no, that one was from me. This one's from my mom. Oh no, they fell. Oh no. This one is from me, and then these two are from my mom. So actually, I can't. Oh my god, guys, washi tape is my thing. A NYC New York Color Smooth Skin Perfecting Primer I bought for myself. I love their primer. It was on sale for the holidays, so I had to grab it. So the next thing, if you guys didn't know, I'm obsessed with Harry Potter. Like, I have almost every single movie. I need to go finish buying them. But I got new keychains. Like, what? What? They're so freaking epic. I got two of these. One for me and one for my coworker because we both love Harry Potter. Next thing, I picked up my favorite makeup, which this is my Fit Me by Maybelline. I needed to restock it, so I said, well, why not restock it for Christmas? So I also got the finishing powder with it, or the foundation powder with it, so that I can rock my favorite color. Yes, this isn't my normal color that I wear, and I wanted it. So the next thing is a Rimmel London 16-hour Pro Clips? I don't know. It's a two-step. It's lock and shine, I guess. So it's got two sides. It's got this side, which is clear, and then on the other side, it has the color. So I'm assuming one is just a tiny gloss, and then the other side is something new. But the color is so pretty. It looks like more red than what it actually is. Next, I bought a game for myself. I'm excited for this game. I've never played this game. I've never played the extensions to this game. But I did want to buy it and see how it is. So I bought the Elder Scrolls Online because I wanted to see what it was like. And so, we shall see. I love playing video games, guys. I play more video games than probably should be admitted. The next thing is my Coloring Tranquility coloring book that I bought for myself. I love to draw, I love to color, I love to do all these things, and so these books help me a lot. And so I just, yeah, the price tag is still on there. I just love books like this so much. I have the Game, or not the Game of Thrones one. I have, is it the Game of Thrones? Yes, I have the Game of Thrones one, and I want to get the Harry Potter and the Alice in Wonderland one, because I love me some coloring books. So the next thing is actually from my older brother. It is a candle, which smells amazing. I'm never going to use it because of the fact that it smells so amazing. It's a tropical passion fruit. I need to figure out where he got these from because I need about 20 more. I use these when I take baths. I set them around the bathtub, so love them. The next thing is a bath soap, which it looks like this. I haven't actually opened it, so I have no clue what it looks like. Sorry if you hear me sniffling. My nose. It smells really nice. It is argan and shea butter. I think that's how you say that. The next thing is a hand wash that looks like this. It's very interesting. At first I was hoping that it was a bottle of Jack, just by the way it looked, even though it's clear. I was just hoping it was some sort of liquor, because that's what it looked like. And I was like, ooh, maybe it was a Mexican liquor. I don't know, the bottle just reminds me of that. I had some Mexican liquor not too long ago, and a bottle was like this. So for, just imagine, guys. Does it look like it? Okay, thank you. I didn't see this little black top here. I was like, oh my god, did you give me liquor? But I didn't say it to his face. These are some facial wipes, which are pretty interesting because I've never seen this brand. But with that being said, it kind of makes me worry because some brands, you know, can break out your skin, especially if you don't know them. They smell basically normal. Oh, by the way, this is from my brother and his girlfriend, so yeah. So I got some makeup wipes, which would be good because I can put it in my makeup bag. The next thing is a body oil, which is pretty interesting because I've never seen anything like it. And it gives you all what it's about and how it works. So this is the body oil. I've never seen anything like it. It's for after shower and bath while skin is still damp, which is fine because I don't like drying off anyway. The next thing is a body cream. It's supposed to be moisturizing, and it looks like this. This collection is honestly pretty interesting. I've never seen it before in any of the stores, so I wonder where they got it from. Ooh, it's got a seal on it. Approval. So, yeah. This is very interesting. I can't wait to try it out. I am a hand soap type of person. When I was growing up, we used bar soap. And my grandma to this day still uses bar soap. So if I was going over to her house and I need to wash up, you better use the bar soap. So, oh, that smells very like baby type stuff, which is really good. So guys, that was all of my Christmas stuff. I know it's been a while since I filmed, and I can't wait for you guys to see the new content, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, this was in no way bragging. I just really wanted to show it to you guys what I got for Christmas, and honestly, even the stuff that I bought for myself was an overtime thing. It wasn't just a plop, there's all this stuff that I have. So it's actually something that I've been buying since like September, and it's just been sitting in my room because I wanted to open it on Christmas Day like a gift to myself. There's actually a keychain. It's across the room. I'm not getting it. It's got a unicorn on it. I hope you guys are having a good day and a good Christmas, and enjoy the holiday and stay safe.